EcoFlow's River is a new generation of smart, clean, mobile power. It's a portable lithium-ion battery with the world's most comprehensive array of charging ports and one of the highest total energy outputs of almost any storage solution on the market. It's designed for everybody, from outdoor activities and indoor leisure to industrial applications and emergency services. River releases you from the shackles of an outlet so that you can power a free life. The unit is equipped with 11 independent charging ports, which can all be used simultaneously for a total output of 500 watts. To put this in perspective, that means you could power 2 iPhones, 2 iPads, 2 MacBooks, a mini fridge, a lantern, a drone battery, a mobile Wi-Fi unit, and stereo speakers all at the same time without limiting the output on any port. With a storage capacity of 416 watt-hours, River gives you more power than almost any battery of its kind. You can jam on your electric guitar for 20 hours straight, or you can watch a 10-hour marathon of your favorite TV show by campfire. River's battery can be recharged in 3 different ways. A standard outlet or a car charger can replenish the battery to full capacity in just 8 hours. With EcoFlow's portable solar panels, River can be recharged with absolutely 0 carbon emissions in just 12 hours. The real-time display allows you to monitor the battery's current output power, remaining capacity, and charge time.
Being a documentary filmmaker, a lot of my shoots happen outside. A lot of times our locations are way out in the middle of nowhere. First time I used River, I was really surprised at how much these little units can accomplish. On location, everything runs on batteries. We have to set up a DIT station, a battery charging station, and we can even run our LEDs when we need extra light and never have to worry about the noise and the pollution of a generator.
Applications for battery power are endless. River isn't just an accessory. It's your power companion for harnessing clean energy anywhere, so you're free to go everywhere. And by the way, this isn't just a concept. River has been tried and tested. And as you can see, this entire production has been lit by River.